Today we're going to be opening $100 worth of squishies, and it's going to be fun. I don't know what there is, but let's see. Okay, this is the first squishy, a small blue one. Looks pretty squishy. And then these are two like rainbow butters thingies. And then the next one is, ooh, it's like a wheat squishy. This is like a bread squishy, and it looks pretty cool. And then we got another circle one. And then the next one is a rainbow popsicle. And then the next one is this mango. I hope it's squishy. And then we're gonna open all of these next. And then we got this strawberry. This one. And then I can't see anything else, and that's all. Now let's open the squishies. Okay, the first one is the bread one. Super fluffy. Smells a little good. Let's get this to the side. Now we got this ocean circle squishy. Squishy. Super squishy. Now we're gonna do this popsicle one. Like the other circle one. Feels exactly like the other. We're gonna do both of the butter squishies. My brother's gonna open the next one. Open it. Super squishy. Now let's open this mango one. It looks exactly like the bread. It's so squishy. This is probably the best squishy. I like it the most. Okay, the next one I'm kind of excited for, the strawberry one. Let's see which one I get. I got all three. Well, it stinks, but it's pretty squishy. It's really squishy. Yeah, I don't like them. This one's still my favorite. Okay, now we're going to be opening these cute animal ones. Opening the pink bear first. Oh, that's really squishy. This is probably my second favorite. Okay, next we're gonna do the purple bear. Feels the same exact thing. My first favorite is definitely the mango. It's really soft. And then my second favorite is the bread. And then I like this one, the third, and then the fourth. And then I like this. Look, these all squishies. The fifth. I like this, the sixth, and I like these butters, the seventh. And then I like these the worst. They smell so bad. You need to wash your hands after them. My favorite is this one, and this one's like going to take all of these ones here. And my other favorite is this one, so I'm going to place it here. And my other favorite is this rainbow butter one. And I'm going to place the other ones. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.